Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone model and OS so you pick the right menu. This avoids wasting time. Once confirmed, back up the current wallpaper or take a screenshot if you want to restore it later. Now open the phone or main settings app and navigate directly to wallpaper or call settings. Don't browse other menus. This gets you to the exact place where call wallpapers are defined and ready for immediate change. Once you're in call settings, find the incoming call appearance or call wallpaper entry and tap it to reveal options. Make sure to inspect both default and custom tabs. Some phones store images in contacts or themes apps. Choose Remove, None, or Default to clear the image. On some Android skins, you'll see a trash icon or three-dot menu. After choosing, check an example call screen preview to confirm the wallpaper is gone. Save or confirm the change, then test with a real call or the built-in preview so you verify success. If the wallpaper remains, restart the phone to force the UI to refresh. This resolves cached image issues. Make sure per contact photos or third-party caller ID apps aren't supplying the image. If they are, remove or disable those images there. If trouble continues, clear the phone app cache or revisit settings to repeat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.